In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram network not working problem or Instagram loading problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your internet connection is working properly. For checking this open YouTube app. If YouTube app open smoothly, then your internet is working. Then follow the other method. Go to Play Store, search Instagram. Now upload it Instagram app from here if available any update version. Now search again 111 VPN, click on it. Now click on install. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Instagram app. Click on Instagram. Click on port system. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear the storage. Then delete. Now open VPN app. Click on next. Click on accept. Install VPN profile. Then OK. Then allow notification. Click on allow. Now click on connect. Wait for connecting. Now open your Instagram app. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram network not working problem or Instagram loading problem. You can see that Instagram working properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.